Sa Ontario, sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon, isang partnership sa pagitan ng Peel Regional Paramedic Services at ng Filipino community sa rehiyon, kung saan bukod sa life-saving skills, binigyang halaga rin ang nakasanayang kultura para sa mas mabisang pagtugon sa anumang klase ng emergencies sa mga tahanang Pilipino. Ang detalye sa report ni Paula Saraza.
You can turn it on first and it will tell you to put on the pads. It will guide you step by step what to do.
Ilang basic life-saving skills at medical response ang ibinahagi ng Peel Regional Paramedic Services sa Kalayaan Cultural Community Center sa Mississauga, Huebes.
We have 3 stations. One is knowing how to use an AED and performing CPR. The other is how to handle choking, so choking adults and choking infants. And the third is knowing how to identify a stroke, or in the medical, a cerebrovascular accident.
Ito ang kauna-unahang community program ng Peel Paramedics sa lumalaking komunidad ng mga Pilipino sa rehiyon. Ang Community Awareness Event, kaagapay ang Kalayaan Center. Dinaluhan ng 12 ng Pilipinong residente ng Peel, kung saan karamihan mga senior.
Sometimes they're alone or because their kids are probably working and they're there. Knowing about this will make them more comfortable, the knowledge that they have, even though it's a basic training that we're getting at this point. It's important for them to know that they if they're aware of it, they know what to do when something serious happens.
Ngayon, alam na nila ang gagawin nila na the people from the paramedic and ambulance services are, welcoming for their calls, Tsaka nalaman nila that the charges na tina-charge na when they call an ambulance, it's not from the paramedics, It's from the hospital where they are brought in.
Layunin daw sa inorganisang programa maging pamilyar at komportable ang Filipino community sa serbisyong hatid ng Peel Paramedics Team at magkaroon ng mas malawak na kaalaman sa wastong pagdulog sa 911.
This cultural sensitivity training, our hope is that by building a rapport with our Filipino patients, for example, when we were taught address them as po at the end of every sentence in order to build that respect and build that relationship with these populations in order to help them understand and know more about our 911 system.
Naging pagkakataon din ito sa paramedics team na magkaroon ng mas malalim na pag-intindi sa kultura ng komunidad at maging sensitibo sa mga posibleng aasahan sa tinutugunang Filipino households.
Let's reach out to these populations and learn about the cultural nuances with these populations so that we can help actively break down these barriers that these populations might face when accessing healthcare.
Bukod sa Filipino community, nakaamba na rin makipag-partner sa iba pang lumalaking ethnic group sa rehiyon ang Peel Paramedic Services para sa mas mabisang pagtugon ng mga komunidad sa mga medical emergency sa kani-kanilang mga tahanan. Paula Saraza, Omni News, Mississauga.